Altea Moi. Okay? Altea Moi. And I'm going to get this apart because we're doing a couple of you don't know. So you're on the ground. My knees won't go down. My knees are too old to go down. So we're on the ground. And you go.
Jim White.
Boom. You've got to be up there all together quick. Again.
Jim White.
Flip out. Thigh, hip, flip. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So it goes here. Boom, boom, boom. Then it's the right side. Roll into you. But just play the first beat. It goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This hand's going to go up. It's going to go back here. You're going to dip it. This is the side side. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The right, the left. One's up, one's on your hip. The right, the left. Now you're going to walk forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to step back on the left foot and you're going to go thighs, hip, flip. Thighs, hip, flip. Here we go again. Let's try it. No, do it again.
Jim White.
Out the beat. Then it goes 1, 2, 3. Was it 4? Out. 4? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's down. You twist your E into you. You're going to take a step that way. Your elbow's going to go down and you're going to look down. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. Da. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. Ready? From the beat. The beat goes
1, 2, 3, 4.
We did 3 in there. Right? Okay, 3. So I was wrong. Bum, bum, bum. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Here we go. From the boot.
1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. Okay, better? Yeah. What?
One, two, three, four.
We got here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 2 verses. 2 of each.
Jim White. Jim White.